Okay, Greg Bills here, and a couple of days ago I was asked how to add a graphic or an image to an opt-in form or an opt-in box. What they wanted to know was how I went about this right here. Here you see my opt-in form, and right above it you see an image. Now what you need to understand is that this image is not actually part of this form itself. What I did when I created the form in Aweber, the opt-in box, I eliminated the header section. Okay, now I chose to keep the footer section because I added text content to the footer section right here, and that's what you see here. This is actually in the footer section, and then I made the box itself pretty much transparent. But this is HTML code that's actually added above the Java code that you entered into a text box in a widget area. And in the marketing funnel crash course, I show you how to use a text box in your widget area and how to add this opt-in form. So let's just go back here and take a real quick look for those of you that haven't seen how that works. We're going to go to widgets. Sometime today, and then over here in the widget area, the primary widget area, if that's not open, just pop it open like that. You'll see that I have some text box, Facebook fan box, so on and so forth. But the text box, if you need a text box, just come over here, click down, hold, and drag it up there and position it wherever you want. That's about how easy it is to get a text box up there. But if you open this text box up, you'll see here that I have HTML code from PhotoBucket, as you see right here, and then right underneath it you see the JavaScript code that Aweber provides you with. Okay, now how I did that, let's go back here. And if you watch the video tutorial from yesterday, I showed you how to use Jing and capture an image from your screen. And that's what I've done, and I've already captured an image. And you can see it here. I believe it's right here. So I'm going to show you how to add that image to right above your opt-in form. And to do that, what you're going to want to do is host that image, whatever image you want to put in here. You're going to want to host that image somewhere. So if you go up here to recommended tools, hover over it and click on free tools, and scroll down through here to PhotoBucket and click on photobucket.com. You can create an account at PhotoBucket for free, and you can host all your videos, your pictures, your images there, and they provide you with HTML code. And I'm already logged in here, but if you haven't created an account, you'll see a sign up right up here. Go ahead and click on that sign up, and then you can walk through the sign up process. It's pretty short and simple, and create an account. Once you've created an account and sign in, you'll see a page that looks like this. And if you have an image already saved to your computer, you can just hit upload, and then come down here and you can hit bulk uploader. Just click on that right there, and then up here at the top you'll see run. It's asking for permission to run Java. Go ahead and click run. If you don't, it'll just sit there and do nothing. And then once Java starts running, it'll pop up. It'll ask you to choose a file wherever your image is located. I keep mine pretty much on my desktop till I'm done messing with them. And then you just pick an image by clicking on it. and then this is an image that I have on my desktop. Once you've clicked on it, highlighted it, it'll show up down here. You just come over here to the far right, click on upload, and in no time at all it'll upload that image. And there you see I have it uploaded right here. So if I hover right over the image that I want to add to my site, to above my opt-in form, you'll see right here HTML code. Just click on that, you'll see it says copy. And then let's go back to my site. Let's go to the widgets, and let's open up that text box, and I'm just going to add it right above the existing image and my opt-in form that I have there now. So I'm just going to hit enter and make a little space, place my cursor back up there, and then I'm just going to paste the HTML code that I picked up. And then just make sure you hit the save button, and then it'll save it. You go back to your main page of your site, and there you see the image has been added. And that's just how easy it is to add an image. And like I said, it's not actually part of the opt-in box itself. The opt-in box was created, I chose to do away with the header, and I put all my information in the footer area. But if you haven't watched the video tutorial from yesterday, I would recommend you do so. If you don't know how to save an image, how to capture an image, I show you how to use Jing, and Jing provides you with a screensaver where you can capture an image, edit images. You can also do 5-minute videos and save them to your desktop. But if you don't have a PhotoBucket account, just go to recommended tools, free tools, and go ahead and create your PhotoBucket account. Like I said, it's free, and you can store all your pictures, your videos, your images, and have a great way of hosting. That's all I have. Thank you, and have a good day.